everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do know. And today's video is going to be an in the fitting room at Addition Elle. Addition Elle is a Canadian brand. They have been in business since 1980, at least according to the tag in my shirt. And so they are owned by the Reitmans family, which also owns Smart Set. Does Smart Set exist anymore? They have like a yoga brand, Pennington's, Addition Elle, Reitmans, the store, and I think there's one other. So they own quite a few retail. Oh, Time Eternity. They own Time Eternity. That's the other one. Maybe there's one more after that. I don't know. Oh, RW & Co. Smart Set is closed. RW & Co. is the one that's still open. Anyway, so they own a bunch of stores, and 3 of those stores sell plus sizes. One of them only goes up to a 3X, so I don't fit there. That's Reitmans. But they also have a petite line there too, so that's pretty cool. But Addition Elle recently just started selling 5Xs, which is kind of a big deal for them because they've only ever gone up to a 4X. And so I wanted to go and see if they sold it in stores. I really, didn't have high hopes, but I did find some stuff to try on. And so what you're going to see next is a clip of that. I'm now home and sweaty. And tired because it's like 9 o'clock at night now. Alright, so I am at Addition Elle, doing it in the fitting room. This is my first item. It is this gold lame stretchy dress. It's very stretchy. It's a faux wrap, as you can see, and it has these nice like wide sleeves. I'm wearing a 4X right now. It's off the clearance rack, so I'll link it if I can. I like it. I don't need a dress like this. This is how long it is. It's just below my knee. I don't need a dress like this, so I'm not gonna buy it, but it's cute. Okay, next up I am trying this, like, I don't know, it's a dress. Kind of feels like I'm wearing pajamas. There is this ruffle. It's got, I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you, but can you see it's got this like cutout on the back? It's a t-shirt dress. I think I would like it better if it was a 5. I'm wearing a 4 right now. I just think it would like the fit better if it was a 5, but it does fit, so not much to say. Again, I will link it if I can. Okay, next is this bodycon midi dress. I kind of feel like a stuffed sausage right now, but I also don't hate it. So there is a nice big side slit, only on one side. It has this belt that I don't like or need. I like that it's navy blue. I would like it a lot more if it was a 5 instead of a 4. But overall, I like this. Have no need for it, but I do like it. I also like that Addition Elle is not scared to put horizontal stripes on a fat person. So, thank you, Addition Elle. Okay, now I've got on this Love and Legend dress. It's like mini. It's way too big. Yeah, I like it. It's just way too big in the boobs and probably just the perfect size across my tummy. So it has pockets as well. I think this was like a summer thing, so now it's like clearance, 20 bucks or something. So it's cute if you can get it online, maybe. Oh, and this is a size 6, which I didn't know Love and Legend even made 6s. Yeah. Alright, this is a maxi-ish dress. I had something similar to this a couple years ago. I don't know where I picked it up. I think maybe Pennington's. Who knows? I like this like extra bit here. I don't know why. I just feel like you're wearing also a top at the same time. I like it. I mean, I did just get a black maxi dress, so do I need it? Do I want it? It's cute. I think I need to adjust the straps a bit so they sit higher like this. Yeah, that would be good. But I like this bit here. It is tight across my tummy. Could probably use it with it being a 6, but that's not possible because it's Addition Elle line, so yeah. Alright, I have one more piece left to try on. I can't really bend my arms, but if this was a 5 or a 6, I would jump all over it. This is so cute, and if I could like move my arms better, I would probably buy it, but as you can see, it's very tight. Come on. It's so cool. You can't really tell on the camera, but it sort of like has a slight like pink shift to it. Isn't straight up like silver. If you guys need the most epic puffer jacket and are a 4X and below, this is for you. I will link it if I can find it online. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links or the description below, because I will try and find as many links to the products I tried on as possible. Some of it was clearance, so it will be difficult to find, but I will do my very best to link it to you as best as possible. If you have any requests of where you think I should go next, let me know. Just keep in mind, I'm in Canada, and so our limits are Torrid, Pennington's, Addition Elle. Unless I'm going to the city of Toronto, maybe there's others, I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!